Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a common issue that can block you from loading certain drivers in Windows, drive signature enforcement. If you've ever seen an error like Windows requires a digitally signed driver, then this video is for you. I'll show you exactly how to disable drive signature enforcement in Windows 11 and 10 temporarily or permanently. Let's dive in. Drive signature enforcement is a security feature in Windows that ensures only drivers with a valid digital signature from Microsoft can load. This prevents malicious or untested drivers from running. But sometimes you might need to install an unsigned driver for testing or older hardware, and that's when you need to disable this feature. The easiest way is to temporarily disable it, meaning it'll reactivate after a reboot. Here's how. Open Settings, then go to the System. Click on Recovery page. Here, click the Restart Now button next to the Advanced Startup option. This will reboot your system to the Advanced Startup screen. Navigate to Startup Settings, click Troubleshoot, then click Advanced Options, choose Startup Settings and click Restart. If BitLocker is enabled, you might see this window. Just enter the key or go back and disable BitLocker, then try the whole process again. Click on Restart. When your PC restarts, you'll see a list of options. Press the number 7 or F7 to disable driver signature enforcement. That's it. Your PC will boot into Windows with signature enforcement disabled just for this session. After installing the unsigned driver, restart your system normally and the driver signature enforcement will be automatically enabled. This is another method you can use. If you need to disable it permanently, you'll need to use the command prompt. Now, I don't usually recommend this unless you absolutely need it, but here's how to disable it permanently. Keep in mind, this reduces your system's security. Just type the following command and press Enter. Now, Windows won't enforce driver signatures. Changed your mind? No problem. Here's how to turn it back on. To re-enable later, just replace on with off. Again, only use this if absolutely necessary and always turn it back on when done. And that's it. Now you know how to disable drive signature enforcement in Windows 11 and 10, whether temporarily or permanently. Just be cautious and only use this for trusted drivers. If this helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more tech tips and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.